If you are looking for a camera drone with 4K resolution camera, one of the longest flight distances at a great price, that HUBSAN Zino Pro should be the right choice for you. In this video, I will discuss the HUBSAN Zino Pro review in detail. If you do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, to up to date with the latest technology reviews. So, let's get started. Now, I will talk about its design and build quality. Though HUBSAN Zino is provided with 4K resolution video and great quality battery capacity with one of the longest flights, these are some of the features people look out in a drone. It is provided with brushless motors, which is a very powerful motor, so you won't have to worry about overheating. Because brushless motor produces less heat and also consumes low power, thus enables the battery to last longer. They also produce very low noise, which gives you the opportunity to enjoy your weekends by flying the drone in your backyard without disturbing others. Because of the features and specialty that are improved from the first Zino, it weighs about 20 heavier than the first Zino. That means it weighs 720 grams. It is designed impressively considering foldability and size. It can be folded in a small and compact shape, which makes it easy to carry and having fun without worrying about carrying. It becomes slightly bigger than your palm in folded form, but it measures about 12 by 10 by 3.5 inches when it is unfolded. So, we can say that it is neither big nor small. The exterior casing of the drone is hard for a good reason. It protects the interior parts from shock and impact if it crashes. It is provided with a long slender body which makes it easy to hold the drone by your hand. Zino Pro is hard to lose even if you fly it to its maximum flight distance. Now, it's time to talk about its camera quality. It is manufactured with the ability to capture 4K video and 4K photos, which definitely is a good deal. The special design of the camera makes the deal more meaningful. Like as its lens is removable, which means you will be able to add lens filters and make it more excited and amazing. It gives a more enhanced video and photo shooting experience. You will be able to capture photos at 30 frames per second. The camera will stay stable even if the drone shakes because it is provided with 3-axis gimbal. You will be able to take clear, vivid, and distortion-free pictures and video footage even when it will fly in the wind. You can set its rotation speed from 2 to 30 degrees per second, and the rotational angle can be between 90 to 360 degrees with pretty good accuracy. Now, this time I will discuss about its battery quality. You will get not only 2 batteries with the drone. Each of them is provided with 11.4 volt and 3000 mAh battery capacity, which gives a flight time of about 23 minutes. That means you will be able to fly it for more than 40 minutes with ease. You won't have to worry about its remaining charge too. You will be able to monitor the remaining amount of charge constantly. It will take about 180 minutes to charge one of them. Its remote controlling system is very easy and handy. Though it doesn't look that smart, but the remote controller is much better than the first Zino. It is provided with solid, reliable joysticks or gimbals that does rotate easily. The remote controller is provided with an intended point for the forward position. One is for left, one is for right, and one is for backward flight. The remote controller is also provided with a smartphone holder too, which is a must-needed feature too. It is also capable of holding 6.3 inches tablets. The most impressive feature of the controller is it can remain connected with the drone even at its maximum flight range of 4 kilometers. Some flight functions provided in the drone are described, which provide simplicity while flying a quadcopter. This feature will help you to stay connected to the drone all the time and even when it is flying out of your sight. It is just a little bit slower than Usain Bolt. It will be able to provide 9 meters per second while the Bolt could do 10.3 meters per second, which makes us realize that how fast he is. You will get 2 flight mods with it. One of them is line fly mode, where the drone will fly in a single straight line. You can concentrate on capturing the best video footage with horizontal flight. It is also provided with orbit mode, which will give you the opportunity to choose an object around which the drone will fly. You can slow down the speed to capture some extraordinary video footage. You won't have to worry about losing the drone if the battery drains or if the signal gets interrupted. When the battery percentage reaches 20%, it comes back home. You can mark or pinpoint the places where you would like the drone to go through when you launch it. On the app, you can choose the place where you want to pinpoint. This drone has some pros like longest flying distance, great camera quality, different special flying modes, taking off automatically feature, GPS and GLONASS provided. This drone has a few cons. Weight could be lesser. Flying time could be improved. In my opinion, the performance of this drone is relatively good in this affordable budget. You can buy it, if you want. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I request you please share this video.